Vivid Lawrence presents. Caillou makes pig noises in the middle of the night / grounded / Boris gets arrested. Yeah, like playing Forest Guide. I'm going to check the cameras. Caillou, go to sleep, it's past your bedtime. Okay, I will go to sleep. I am going to make pig noises, mew ha 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 ha. I am going to do it.
She's a pig. We have to clean out her body. Her body has dirty.
Wah.
Rosie, why are you crying?
Because Rosie heard pig noises. Rosie hates pigs.
Wait, I think Caillou was behind this. I am going to kick his butt so hard.
Opinion. Good stuff, buddy. Here you go. Go get some lessons.
Caillou, why are you making pig noises in the middle of the night? Because you keep giving me a bedtime when it is summer. This is no reason to make pig noises in the middle of the night, and for that you're grounded for 2 weeks, and it will be punishment day for you. No, not punishment day again. First punishment, rinsing your bald head with hot water. No. No, my head burns. No, why? Second punishment, pushing you in the street when the car comes. No, Dad, please. My leg. Final punishment, leaving you in the forest. I am going to call 911 on my dad. 911, what is your emergency? Please help me, my dad abused me. First he put hot water on my head, then he pushed me in the street, and I got run over, and he abandoned me in the forest. I know your address, I can take your back, but tell me your house number. 961. I will be there in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. Well, Rosie, I got rid of Caillou so you can go back to sleep.
What did you do to Caillou?
I left him in the forest. What the beep? Hi, I am Officer Scott. You must be Boris Anderson. I am Boris Anderson. We meet before. I am going to go easy on you. If you lie, I will arrest you. If you are telling the truth, you're still arrested. Did you put your son's head in hot water, then pushed him the street, and left him in the forest? Okay, fine, yes I did. You do know that is child abuse, and for that you are staying in jail for 6 years for child abuse. Washington, wow.